everyone, today it's day 2 and today we're gonna learn about phonics and word study, VVC words, vocabulary and word knowledge, creating and composing text. These words have a special pattern called VVC. Today, we will learn how to read and use VVC words while reading a beautiful poem. What are VVC words? VVC means vowel, consonant, another consonant, and vowel. When we see two consonants between vowels, we usually divide the word between the consonants, like kitchen, kitchen, summer, summer, garden, garden, blossom, blossom, rabbit, rabbit. Today, we're gonna learn Milo and the garden. One afternoon, he saw trash scattered on the ground. Milo looked sad because the garden was dirty. The children cleaned the garden and placed the trash in the recycling bins. Soon, the garden became beautiful again, and Milo happily played among the blossoms. What are the VVC words? You can tell. Picture it and send it to the comment section so I can check it if it's correct. So that's all. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.